Hi everyone, Amy here, and I have a very simple masculine card idea to share with you, and it's going to involve some 3D embossing and some very simple masking. I recently got yet another 3D embossing folder from Altenew. I'm a bit of a junkie with these. I absolutely love them and I can't get enough. But I did run a panel of 110 pound Nina Classic Crest Solar White through my embossing machine, or die cutting machine rather, with that embossing folder. And I'm just going to mask off the rows down this panel with this simple post-it tape. And I have this gorgeous new Uncharted Mariner. That's the newest color from the Distress line, and I just recently got my hands on it. And this is the Oxide, so this is a hybrid. Now here's a photo of the finished card, and I absolutely love how it turned out. So if you struggle with gender neutral card ideas or masculine card ideas, then I encourage you to kind of bust out your geometric 3D embossing folders, or check out the options with Altenew, and you can pull together some masculine cards so easily here. So here I messed up and thought, oh no, I gotta skip a line. So I'm just using the same masking tape over and over again and just working down the panel to kind of ink blend every other row of this embossing, and it just really changes the look of this design. You can absolutely ink blend over the entire panel or leave it white and bring in a pop of color maybe through your die cuts or something like that, but I absolutely love 3D embossing folders like this, and I just can't get enough. So I will link all the products that I used in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those details. So here I'm just shopping my sentiment book here. This is how I store my die cuts. These are baseball card pocket protector sheets. And I'm just kind of figuring out what direction I want to go with this card. I know that I want to make it, something more masculine, so I'm kind of thinking birthday cards. I'm always needing birthday cards, so I'm just kind of looking at different options here. I have this Celebrate die that's Catherine Pooler, and I have it die cut out of some pattern paper, but I don't really like the look of those, so I'm just going to keep going through my options. Once I stop fighting with these and trying to cram them back in, I should just split it up and used a different pocket. But anyway, I'm trying to figure out maybe this, and I could put a critter or something in that circle. Just kind of flipping through, seeing what my options are here. But then ultimately I decided to go with this dude. This is a Kathy Zilski die from Simon Says Stamp. If it's still available, I will link it in the video description box below. But it has a shadow layer and the other layer, so I attached those. It's kind of like a metallic gold cardstock, and I attached it to a black shadow, and then I have these sentiment strips from Tailored Expressions. I think it's The Man, the Myth, the Legend. I don't know if they're both from that, but just snarky, fun sentiments for masculine cards, and I will link that below as well. But just using liquid glue to attach the sentiment on the inside of the card, and I use that thin foam tape to pop up the sentiment on the front of the card, and that's going to finish it. Super quick, easy, masculine card idea. So I hope you find this helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And like I said, I will link the products below in the video description box. And when you do follow my affiliate links, it does help me out a lot. It's no additional charge to you, but I may make a small commission, so that does help support my channel. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.